Hello everyone and welcome to the Easy Drawing Time channel. Today, we're celebrating Christmas with Peppa Pig and her family. Now let's draw Mummy Pig. Start with her face. It's round, just like Peppa's, but add eyelashes to show it's Mummy Pig. So cute! Amazing! Don't forget to draw her warm hat with a pom-pom on top. Add her arms, gloves, and a matching scarf. So pretty! Peppa Pig. First, draw her round face, her pointy piggy nose. Lovely! Next, add her body in a warm red coat and her short little arms sticking out. Don't forget her gloves to keep her warm. Next, we'll draw Daddy Pig. Start with his big, round face, and don't forget his glasses and beard. Daddy Pig's hat is tall with a pom-pom on top, so make sure to draw it nice and fluffy. Add his warm coat and scarf, then his arms and gloves. Now let's draw the snowman. Add two little eyes, a triangle carrot nose, and a big smile made of coal. Draw a warm scarf around his neck and a matching hat on his head. Let's draw George Pig next. Start with his small, round face. George's hat is round with a pom-pom on top, just like everyone else's. Don't forget to draw his arms and gloves. Finally, it's time to draw Santa Claus. Add his hat with a fluffy white pom-pom, round face and long white beard. Then, draw his red suit with a big belt. Now, I'm going to use this thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Let's color Mummy Pig. Her face is pink, and her coat is bright orange. Color her gloves orange and her scarf to match. Her hat should also be orange. I love my pen. Mummy Pig is all set for a snowy day with the family. Now, it's time to color Peppa. Peppa is ready to jump into the snow. Color her gloves pink. Her coat should be red. Daddy Pig's face is pink like the others, but his beard is black. His scarf is light green, and his gloves are green too. Color his coat and hat green. Daddy Pig looks cozy and ready for the snow. Color the snowman white, of course, but his hat and scarf should be bright green. Color his carrot nose orange. George's face is pink, and his jacket is bright blue. George looks so happy to be playing in the snow. Color his and his hat a soft blue. His scarf is yellow, and his gloves are light yellow. Santa Claus. His hat and suit are bright red. Color his belt black. Let's color all the boxes with the colors of the rainbow. Red. Orange. Yellow. Light green. Blue. Purple. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Easy Drawing Time. See you next time, and Merry Christmas to all!